My name is Rachel Jones, I'm 49 and I am currently studying Level 4 Complementary Therapies at Cross Keys campus. I'm a registered nurse by background and after having children wanted something to reinvent myself. For me, complementary therapies met my skill set and business goals. So I guess one of the main challenges for myself being a mature student was going back into a learning environment, but actually Coleg Gwent were very supportive. I didn't feel out of place and it's boosted my confidence and enabled me to get back into the workplace and be my own boss. It's given me a lot of skills, both business and enhance my knowledge to enable me to set up a business that will fit around my family life. I came to an open evening. Initially, I'll admit I didn't actually know what I wanted to do, so the open evening was fantastic because it enabled me to talk to the tutors that were around. Coleg Gwent has supported me over the last 2 years and helped me develop my business in many ways. If you've got an idea and you want to take it forward, the tutors and the departments within the college are there to support you. I would definitely recommend Coleg Gwent to anybody looking to start a new career path or anybody that was unsure what they actually wanted to do work-wise. There's something for everybody and it's always worth coming along and talking to the tutors here.